Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the swap rate cTrader. First, open the cTrader platform and make sure you are logged into your trading account. Once the platform is fully loaded, go to the watch list section where all available trading symbols are displayed. Now find a trading pair or symbol you want to check, such as Forex pair, index, or commodity. After that, right-click on the selected trading pair to open a small menu with more options. Next, click on Symbol Information from the menu. These will open a detailed window showing all important information related to the symbol. Here, scroll through the details and look for swap long and swap short. Swap long shows the overnight fee or credit applied when you hold a buy position, while swap short shows the swap applied when you hold a sell position. By checking these values, you can clearly understand the overnight charges or credit before keeping a trade open for more than one day. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.